third graders, the first thing you are going to want to do is find your Popplet app. So go through your apps, you will find a little app. It is blue and it has a white P on it. So mine is right here, it says Popplet Lite. So if you click on that, you will be brought into Popplet. Some of you might already have a Popplet that pops up that you have done previously. If you do have one, can you just press clear all? And then you can press clear all right there, and then that way you can start from a blank slate like this, okay? So once you have a blank screen like this, I want you to double tap on your screen and it will pop up your first bubble. Now since we're learning about hurricanes, your first bubble or text box should say hurricanes. So if you see the letter T, click on that, that stands for text, and then you will be able to type, okay? So I will type hurricanes in there. Now, I know that some of you guys know how to like change the colors. You can do that like this and so forth. So you guys can do that on your own time to make it look however you want. But we have hurricanes. Now, in my directions, you are supposed to have at least 5 hurricane facts, okay? You can always have more, absolutely. But at the minimum, you need 5. So the way that you're gonna add your bubbles that will web out is you will see like the 4 little dots around it. If I press on that first one, there you go. This will be your first fact, okay? So you will actually write your fact in here. I'm just gonna write fact 1 so you guys can kind of get an idea of what this will look like. Now, so you'll write your first fact in there. If I wanna add a little bubble over here, this can be fact 2. Okay. Over here, if I want to have fact 3, I'm not going to type it in, but you guys get the point. Maybe over here I'll have my 4th fact, and then you guys can always, if I just press that button again, those little dots, you can always add another one, okay? So here I have my 5 facts, okay? You can separate them however you want. Make sure that you, oops, how do I do this? Here we go. Make sure that you are writing some solid details or solid facts in each of these boxes. Now, whenever you have all 5 of your great facts done, and you have it looking pretty however you want it, you are then going to send it to your teacher. Now, I have played around, and normally you can export it and email it. Mine's being a little weird, and I don't know why it won't let us do that, so I'm gonna teach you a different way. So once you're done with everything, you have all 5 of your facts, okay? You are actually going to take a screenshot of your Popplet, okay? So here's the deal. When you take a screenshot, you want to make sure you can see the hurricanes box and all 5 of your facts, okay? Now, if you have it like this, your teachers won't be able to read your facts, okay? So make sure you can see it all. And then you will take a screenshot. So what you will do is you will be pressing your top button that kind of turns your iPad on and off, and your belly button of your iPad at the same time. So once you press those 2 buttons, like so, you will have your screenshot. And once it pops up in that corner, I want you to press on it, and then you can press done and save to photos, okay? So what you have now is you have a picture of your Popplet, okay? So once it's all done, you can press your belly button. I want you to go into your photos, and you should have your Popplet right there. Now, we all know how to send a photo to our teacher. So from here, you will just go to that arrow, and this is when you can email it to your teacher. Okay? Have fun, guys. Make sure you have some 5